Imagine, if you will, a reality where everything you perceive, every moment you experience, and every person you meet is part of an elaborate simulation. This is the essence of the simulation hypothesis, a concept that challenges our understanding of existence itself. Its origins can be traced back through centuries of philosophical inquiry, from Plato's allegory of the cave, which suggested that our perceptions of reality are but shadows of true forms, to the more recent musings of thinkers like René Descartes, who questioned the certainty of all that we believe to be real. In the 21st century, this line of thought was crystallized by philosopher Nick Bostrom in his seminal paper, Are You Living in a Computer Simulation? Bostrom posited that future civilizations might possess the computational power to run simulations of their ancestors indistinguishable from reality. If such simulations were plentiful, he argued, it might be more likely that we are artificial intelligences inhabiting one of these simulations, rather than organic beings in the original reality. The simulation hypothesis thus invites us to ponder a world where the line between the physical and the programmed is blurred, where consciousness might be a construct, and where our very universe could be the creation of an advanced civilization's technology. As we delve deeper into the realm of the simulation hypothesis, we encounter a spectrum of scientific perspectives that both challenge and support this provocative idea. On one hand, the rapid advancement of virtual reality and computing technologies lends a certain credence to the possibility of sophisticated simulations. We've witnessed our own digital worlds grow increasingly complex and immersive, suggesting that a civilization with far greater technological prowess might indeed create a simulated universe indistinguishable from our own. Yet, the arguments against the simulation hypothesis are formidable. Critics point to the immense computational complexity required to simulate an entire universe down to the quantum level. The sheer number of calculations to replicate every physical law, every particle, and every conscious being is staggering, perhaps even beyond the capabilities of any advanced civilization. Moreover, the nature of consciousness remains a profound mystery. Can consciousness truly be digitized? Is it something that can emerge from silicon and circuitry, or does it require a biological substrate? These questions lie at the heart of the debate, challenging the very notion that our minds could be the product of a programmed reality. Proponents of the hypothesis argue that we may not need to simulate the universe in its entirety, but only the parts that are observed. This, however, leads to further philosophical quandaries about the nature of existence and observation. Are unobserved parts of the universe simply not rendered, like the unseen areas of a video game? In the end, the scientific community remains divided. The simulation hypothesis treads a fine line between science fiction and plausible scientific theory, leaving us to ponder our place in what could be an incredibly elaborate cosmic illusion. As we navigate the labyrinth of the simulation hypothesis, its tendrils have entwined themselves within the fabric of our popular culture. Cinematic masterpieces like The Matrix have captivated audiences, inviting them to question the very nature of their reality. Literature, too, has been rich with tales of simulated worlds, where characters grapple with the revelation that their lives are but intricate fabrications. These works of art have not only entertained but also shaped public discourse, prompting us to consider the implications of such a reality. Yet, beyond the realm of entertainment, the simulation hypothesis stirs profound ethical dilemmas. Should we one day possess the capability to create simulated beings, the moral weight of our choices becomes immense. If these beings are conscious, do they not deserve the same considerations as any sentient life? The potential creators, akin to deities of digital domains, would face unparalleled responsibilities. The ethics of subjecting simulated consciousness to suffering, manipulation, or termination would demand rigorous philosophical and moral scrutiny. In contemplating the simulation hypothesis, we are thus compelled to look inward, to examine the core of our values. It challenges us to redefine our understanding of consciousness, existence, and the responsibilities that come with the power to create, or simulate, life itself.